So on daily, on DSY, we are looking at price coming to 99.57A, which is the next key zone that we'll be looking at price to come. But if anything can happen, if we see price now, we are in NFP week. A lot of news is coming before the NFP. With price come back to reclaim 100.620, then that should give us the bullish evidence on DSY. So we need this guy to be violated there. We need this high to be violated. So if that high is violated on the bullish evidence like this, maybe during NFP or Thursday news or Wednesday, so then dollar could resume bullish. But prior to NFP, we are looking at price coming to this zone. So that, but as long as we are still stand now, or we are still much bearish formation. So now that will now lead us to Gbpusd. So Gbpusd now, we look at it clearly. We are moving between this channel, this low, this high. Since price, the last we have is we have a very clear break of structure from this area. We have a break of structure, price go, the price came back. The only thing that GBP used to do, it will not give a proper retest before going back. So there was not a proper discount this thing. So that is a sign of a serious bullish evidence on GBP against USD. So that is a serious bullishness on user gauges against USD. So now what we'll be looking at, we are looking for buying evidence since DSY says we are what? We are bearish, and then we'll be looking for a bullish evidence on Gbpusd. Now, you look at this, we look at this place, we have this imbalance that is here that we could see price coming to. Yes, there's a fair value gap here. That's why I mark it out with those trend line. So now you can hear it's very clear now. We have this fair value gap here, and we have a supply above the fair value gap. So that is where, if you are bullishing on GU, and that is the area you will try to look out forward for a profit taking. Yes, profit taking. Now, are you going to buy where it is now? No, you can't buy here. It's too high for you to buy. So let's drop to 4 hours where you can be scanning forward a buy opportunity from. So with that, if you get a buy opportunity of 4 hours, then we can do what? So look at where my 4 hours, the low of that 4 hours. So I'm looking at if you can get a price. You can get a price. Now we can see that what price is doing now. Price is creating what? A momentum above here. It's creating a momentum here. So if you have a price, you can get a price coming back to give us a discount. Maybe it's to sweep this low. Will be a very good opportunity to sweep this low here. There rejection. Then we'll look for a buy, or anything that below here. Then extension, maybe price can come back to this trend line. So, but NFP can do anything. If you have a strong NFP on dollar, so you can push price to come back to this trend line. The rejection of this trend line, they will give us the bullish evidence that we need back to this place. Or if price fail to come to this place, a sweep of this low. I'm looking for a sweep of this low, and price will and price go back, then we look for opportunity to buy. But failure for price to come in discount, I will not buy anything around there because there's nothing for me to buy. If you are buying here, you are buying close to a resistance, which then your stop loss will be low here. So better still, let price come into uh this supply area there. Anything is sell opportunity can give face. But I would prefer a buy on this place than price going back to going back uh to buy. So that is GBPUSD. That's what I'm looking out on GBPUSD. Looking forward a buy opportunity at that direction. So now let's move in. So we have seen now. So if you are looking for a buy, please, that is where you should be looking for a buy opportunity from. So the next one we will do now is Euro USD. So Euro USD, it's loading. So Euro USD is the same format. So it's a format on Euro USD. So what we are looking for, price now is currently coming. Price has come to a very, you can see this key area. That key area is rejecting price. This key area here is reject. You can see now that when you see an area, the price is rejecting, price try to break, but it's finding it difficult to break from. Then you should know that that area is a very strong area. So you want to pause and see and wait what price is doing from that area. So we want to pause and see what's price doing in this area. That will determine the next level that we will be looking out for. That will determine the level we were by what we shall be looking out for. Now, so we want to see if the price close above this area on a daily close. We want to see price break this area, retest, then this place will be our target. That place will be what? Our target. So that is the area we are going for. The price so and failure. If price come back to this low, then this trend line is a liquidity trend line. We want to see price sweep liquidity above this low, then return back. That should be a bullish evidence, a bullish evidence for us. No, this liquidity is very, very important when you allow price to what? When a price, now price has created a series of low here. So sweep of liquidity above this low will be what? A good opportunity. So when liquidity sweep, a rejection back, then we can buy. So we are looking for a buy since we are looking for a sell. What is a sell on DSY or GBPUSD? We are looking for a buy. So discount price, we buy from there anything this low here, then this next target. Or price break close, then a reprice, then this place will be what? The next target for us. So as it is now, there's no really anything for us to do at this place. So there's nothing for us to redo now because price is sitting at resistance. Price is sitting at resistance. So we need price to return. So just put your eye on Euro USD. So all the pair I want to talk about, I already aligned them. So now I the one in the red. So I will just go to those things now quick one. So NZD, I love a ride on this NZD USD on the buy. Let it load. Okay, you can see now this was a very good ride on this guy. You know, we have very clear bullish evidence. So price came back to this demand, then giving a bullish structure. So this was a very good to the upside. So another thing we are now, where are we now? Price has take liquidity. Whenever price take a liquidity from a particular zone, there will be a price will do what? It will reprice down for for to prepare for the second phase. Now, price has take liquidity above 0.636191. The next liquidity zone is here. So what we are looking at, since we are looking for what buy opportunity, all we need is a discount and buy. Now this low is becoming a protected low. By here, we have price, we have a very clear break of structure above here. So the only way we can return to a bearish is when price take out this low, 0.62533. That's the only way that if you're looking for to bearish on this guy like this. But so as long as this low is protected, then we are looking for a buy. So now that price have taken out liquidity above that place, we have two zones. Be careful, we have two zones. We have this demand zone, one. We have this demand zone, two. So these are the two zones that we're looking for a buy opportunity. But in a real sense, the best zone to wait is this zone. When you have a two zone like this, this best zone is this zone. So if you put your Fibo, we see that the last zone fall in a discount, So the two zone, you can see that the two zone is almost in a discount. So what you will do is wait for price to come to this zone. For price to come to this zone, as price come to this zone, then look for a swing low. We understand what swing low is. So wait for a swing low, and then a swing low that will give you what? A that give you a bullish evidence to buy. If you don't see a bullish evidence here, then it means that price can come, because this low here we are having, there's a fair value gap that attached to this demand. So price can come back here because of this week, because of NFP. So if price come down here, then this will become a key area to buy from. If price fail to break here, so we are watching out these two zones as part of this week, but price is coming. I'm not advising you to do, if you want to do you want to do day trading, you can go to 15 minutes, wait for a change of character, you want to sell. But it's better to position for a buy in this zone than to sell. So that is number 3 trade. Then number 4 is Usdjpy. Usdjpy, it's loading. So Usdjpy. So Usdjpy, I have a buy on Usdjpy this morning. Just despite I know that we are having what weak dollar, but it's just a strategy that I use to buy it. Now we can see this guy is ranging, so it's totally ranging. So now price has come. A ranging market, if price come down, price go up, price go down until we have a clear breakout. So I will advise you stay out of this if you don't know how to trade in market until price break out from one of these positions. So me, I bought here this morning, waiting to push back here. So currently, the trade is in a good trade, but it's a ranging market, so there's nothing too much to talk about or Usdjpy until price breakout from those areas. So the next one, USD card, which is second to the last, yes. on my list. So USD card. Now USD card, you can see this is another one, another good ride on USD card. So looking at using liquidity concepts on USD card. So this low, no, on 4 hours like this, I only look for a very low of 4 hours. When I see price fail to break, to close with momentum on this flow like this, I know that's a liquidity sweep. Then I would follow the trade opposite to buy it. So I'm waiting. We have a lot of liquidity here. Price came down, what it was, sweep is liquidity. And immediately we have a reclaim. Immediately we have this bullish evidence that give us a reclaim. Then I know that no, go to smaller time frame, take a trade from here, then looking out to do what, to push this trade back. So, and this kind of reclaim, you can push this trade back to maybe to this high like this. So USD card is I'm looking for out for a bullish evidence on US card, which is already in, but it's too late to jump into now. So let's watch what price we do around this area. So around this area, let's watch what price we do. So around that area. So that is it. So the last on the list, okay, gold. Let me go it out. Gold. So gold, we are much bullish on gold. So we price. I was looking for price to come to this demand here. Then we should look for a buy. So I can only look for a buy on gold. We have this zone to wait to buy. That is 2,613. Then another zone to buy from to look for a buy opportunity is this zone. So as price comes to all these zones, all we are looking for is to buy gold, because we know that it's best to buy than to sell gold. It's better to buy than to sell gold. So let's use this trend line as a guide. So price can come back maybe around this area. Then we shall looking for a buy opportunity. So the last on my side is Gbpusd. I posted this thing, this guy last week, Gbpchf. So I'm me already. So when you look at it on daily, I talk it about that there was what we call bullish flag on this guy, bullish flag. So somebody will say this is a change of character, yes, but a change of character, but price has already a break of structure here downward, which will give us a bearish, but again, price already changed another character for a bullish. So we can no longer see it as what here. So we have this high, then price came down here, then we have this. So this is what we call bullish flag. Now, after the breaking of the flag, I was waiting that price to come and retest here, and this month price traded it. So that's where I'm in on that guy. So now, so price has come. So I'm looking for price. So a clear breaking above, we have a series of this high. So if we have a clear break of structure here, then the target is this place. So you can look for, just put your eyes on Gbpusd to ride the bullish, whether you wait for price to break here, retest and go back, or price come back again. Price can still come back here again, then retest this place properly and go back. So all you need to do, just put your eyes on Gbpchf. It has given us a very clear bullish evidence already. So I don't know. These are the trades which I have. I have scanned other trades. I don't see a good formation on the rest. So I'm talking about GU, EU, gold, NU, chef, then Usdjpy, the last on my list. Usdjpy, I'm looking for a buy. Usdjpy, I'm looking for a buy. Why am I looking for a buy when dollar is weak? I don't know, but I'm just following price action. Now, if you look at it, I may be wrong, but sometimes some risk worth taking. So we have been going down, you can see, but here we have a clear change of character. The price resumed bullish. Now you can see. So price got to this place. It give us, we have this low. Now, what happened here is a very clear price have come, sweep trend and liquidity, price sweep this liquidity. And because of sweep of this liquidity, that's why I'm looking for a buy. So that is it. I'm on it already, but I'm not saying you should jump in. I'm just taking this as a risk based on what price has printed. So a clear, normally on 4 hours, we are bullish on 4 hours. Then price have a massive sell-off, sweep liquidity here, sweep liquidity here, and we have this pin bar, bullish pin bar. They give us another bullish candle. So that was a evidence of bullishness, and that's why I am in the trade. So we go to 1 hour. So now my stop loss is 100 pips because USDJPY is there's another volatile something. So this is my risk. My risk is 100. Then if you work out, my first target is around here. So this is the reason. But I could have waited now for you to jump enter this trade based on what I'm teaching you people. I could have waited for what the trade of Canada. I did not wait. I only use liquidity concept to get in. But now your own side, before you enter, now you have this low, we have this high, we have this low. So wait for price to clear this low high. So I'm giving you now how you can enter. So if price clear this high, then you have, I tell you, this trade will buy back even to this place. So just wait for like this, a break above this high. So put your eyes, a reprice, then this will be your own trade. Don't follow me because I'm only using liquidity concept to enter the trade. So that is it for my side. So any other thing, I will be posting it on our channel. Will be more active now this week by grace of God. So any setup, I will surely post it there. So all those trades I have analyzed, these are the trades I'm looking out for this week. On your radar, if you are looking for at least 1 to 3 trades in a week, just I if one give you, if you have one good setup, then that's mean that you are good. All you need for a week is one good setup. You don't need 20 trades. Just need one good setup. Then you are good to go. 1 or 2 setup. So out of all these things, you can have a 1 or 2 setup among them. So our time, Zoom timer is over. AUD card. Okay, let me quickly use the last minute talk about that AUD card that you ported out. So AUD card, AUD card. All those peers there, me, and they run. You know why I'm running for all this company? They are commodity peers. They are both of them are commodity. So trading two commodity peer together, get as it be. They'll be dragging shoulder. Card is a commodity, AUD is a commodity. So these are, you need to understand peer correlations. So AUD is bullish. AUD is very strong, sir. So on daily, we are bullish. So all you should be looking for is bullish evidence. So that is all. Bullish evidence that you shall be looking for. So let 4 hours load, and let's see if we can get a position that you can do for a bullish from. So like this now. So I would prefer price coming to this. If you have price coming to this demand, so that is around 0.9281. So that will give you a very good rise, sir. So like this, there you ride off. So that is it. So thank you for joining this morning. Sorry, our Zoom, it has a limited time for us. So this is where we could go. But if you have any trades that want me to look at, just call my attention on WhatsApp. I'm always available 24 hours and I will attend to you. Or the recording, I will post it on the group so that we can listen to it. Thank you for your time.